not moving.
I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. That's the skyline over there. I'm gonna see if I can film this. It keeps showing up outside. Look at that. Look at that. Let me try to zoom in on this. Oh my gosh, do you see that? What the? Bro. I've seen it all over TikTok. Now I'm literally seeing them in person. This is right next to Nashville, Tennessee. Right in Nashville, Tennessee.
There will be 39 days between the temporal marker of the Trump interview and the appearance of this visible contention between space aliens. Okay, so I am alluding to the possibility that there's a short period of time between the, barely over a month between the temporal marker and the visible contention that will appear in the skies that from the descriptors we had back in 2009 will go to the idea of UFO versus UFO and UFO versus jets.
All right, we're rolling. Good to see you, sir. Here we go.
From the descriptors we had back in 2009 will go to the idea of UFO versus UFO and UFO versus jets.
He's like right there with it. Oh, he's like right on it. Ooh, that whatever it was just shot down the drone, if that was a drone.
This time we have no evidence that these activities are coming from a foreign entity or the work of an adversary. We're going to continue.
And Bill and Sandra, when things like this are happening, it seems everyone starts to look up, like my crew and I have been here in Mendham recording this video that you're looking at right now. We have no idea what it is, if it's a natural phenomenon, because it could be, but this is why so many municipalities are now asking people to reach out and send their videos to them or to experts who might be able to sort out what they're seeing in the skies. But I guarantee there are so many people looking up and making those recordings because this mystery is one that needs to be solved. For now, we're...
בהתקפה גבי דק, שחקן האסל, עוד שלושה פנויה, יוי, וואו,